Hello there, this is Rick Powers from Western Technical College with the video introduction to week number 2 in our Math with Business Applications class. And this week is focus on 2 topics, specifically working with decimals. Of course, when we're dealing with business, a lot has to do with money, which is in dollars and cents, so that makes sense that we would do that. But there are also, coming up, we have a unit on percentages, and it's very important to understand how decimals are related to those. So you really need to understand how decimals work. And then we also have a major important idea, which is the process of checkbook reconciliation. Now, things have been changing quite a bit in terms of how banks operate and how a lot of people look at their finances. But one of the most important ideas in business is simply the idea of how to add and subtract money in the right places so that you can keep track of where the money is going. And so then the first step really to any kind of accounting or finance is to understand the basic processes that happen when you reconcile a checkbook. So that's an important section, and that's in there. We also have our first quiz. You'll notice that the practice quiz will not affect your grade at all. You go through that. You can go through it as many times as you want and practice the questions. And then when it comes to the mastery quiz, then you only get 1 attempt at that, and you do have to show your work. You have to include some kind of a photo. If you take a photo with your phone camera, or if you scan something in, it's fine. Or there is a place in WebAssign where you can type your work if you want it to do it that way. That's another option. And also there's a way you can enter mathematical things in there in that section of showing your work. But that is a requirement that you show your work when you send in the quiz. And certainly if you have any question about that, feel free to let me know. And then also, yes, you do need to check in by the end of the week just to let me know how things are going. And also, if you can participate in the discussion board to introduce yourself, and then we can have that available so that we can get to know each other a little bit better. All right, so best wishes on week number 2. Please let me know if you need anything or have any comments, any suggestions about how to make the course better. I'd welcome any kind of input that would help make the experience better for everybody. Thanks.